Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I will be showing you guys how you can add the battery percentage right beside this battery icon over here. So to do that, click on the Apple icon and open system preference. Inside system preference, here you can see dock and menu bar. Open it. Inside dock and menu bar, at the right side, just scroll above and you will find an option says battery and menu. Open that, and at the right side you can see it says show percentage. Just check the checkbox and just close this window and click on the battery icon once, and it shows the battery percentage now. So that's how you do it. And that's it for this video, and if you guys have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you.